Let's make a mini compost bin. You're going to need a storage bin, your carbon, so your leaves, your sticks, wood chip, bark, mixed paper, and cardboard. Nitrogen, which is vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, grass clippings, and manure. A drill. I drilled some holes in the top of the bin. Also drill some holes on the bottom. Now you're ready to fill your bin. I started with my carbon, then I layered my nitrogen, and you want to continue layering until the box is full. Now it's time for moisture. You want to keep the moisture levels in this high. So now I'm going to turn everything in the compost so that you can aerate it. This is when I noticed I put too big of pieces. They weren't breaking down. I would recommend shredding your vegetable scraps as much as possible. I used a lot of Popeye soda. I felt like that would speed up the process of the compost. want to aerate this as much as possible. So turning it over, putting it back in the bin as much as you can help speed up the process of composting. I wouldn't say that a mini compost bin is the best way of composting, but it was a lot of fun to start. And if you do have a small space, you live in an apartment, and you want to start a compost bin, this is a great option for you. So it's been about 6 months later since starting the compost bin. I had stopped recording myself turning it over and adding stuff. The only things I did end up adding to this compost bin after I stopped recording was some clippings from my houseplants. But as you can see, not all of it has been breaking down, but a good majority has broken down. So this is what I ended up with. I'm really happy with it, even if there's some leaf particles in it, some twigs. I'm very happy with the final result. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna place it in my garden. I have some creeping thyme, and I'm going to spread out the compost as much as I can for the creeping thyme. I'm going to give it a good water. And there you go.